outfit. Hello guys, I actually dressed up for you guys. This romper, it's from Dress Well. Not sponsored to say that, but I really like their clothing. It's really nice and it's just so cute. And I have this earrings from Style Nanda. Oh, okay, so today I am doing the long awaited best of 2019 makeup for you guys. I know I'm super late because we're in like the second month of 2020 and this should be up by the end of 2019 and I didn't do it because I was like swamped with work. But anyways, I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys still want to watch this video, and a lot of you actually voted that you still want to see my 2019 products. Here I am doing this video for you guys, and I'm gonna do best of makeup and best of skincare. I'll split this to what I usually prime with is my Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I think this has been up on my 2018 and 2019 best of makeup. That is my favorite primer. I think it's very moisturizing, and sometimes when I forgot to put on moisturizer, my basic skincare, I'll just put on that because it actually doubles up as a primer and also a moisturizer. Very moisturizing, very thick, and I have dry skin, so it's perfect for quenching my dry skin. Okay, next up is my concealer. So the first one that I really enjoyed was the Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced. I think that one was very value for money. It was a huge bottle. Mine is in the shade Porcelain. It is so good, so creamy. Definitely be wearing it in 2020 as well, and it's very hydrating under my eyes because my main concern for concealer is that it actually clings onto my dry skin on my under eye. So that concealer does a great job on hydrating my under eye while concealing it, and I think it is one of the best rated concealer. And then also I really like the Milani concealer. If you guys actually watch my IGTV or any makeup video on IG that I've posted, I always use the Milani concealer. Mine is in the shade 130. It's so good and it just covers up my dark eye circles so well. And usually if I go to the office, I am always wearing that concealer because it lasts me throughout the day and it is very affordable. You can just repurchase it anytime you want at Watsons. It is widely sold all around Singapore, and yeah, very accessible as well. It's great and it's very hydrating. I like it. Coverage is great. It's there. So thirdly, it would be the RMS Uncover Up Concealer. Mine is in the shade 22. I think it has a great yellow undertone. Great for warm skin, and especially skin tones like mine. It is a very glowy concealer. I thought it would be the same as the Glossier one, but oh my gosh, I love this way more than the Glossier one. To be honest, I don't even like the Glossier concealer. It's just way too oily, but this one has the right amount of glow. And for RMS, right, it's a clean beauty product and it is also quite expensive, but I think the quality is there. And it actually, although it's just like glowy and all, right, it doesn't slide or slip even throughout the day, and it's just very natural, and it has a very nice coverage, especially under my eye, because my dark eye circles are my main concern, and I also have like redness here, so it covers up very quickly and very nicely with my fingertips, so that's great. Okay, so moving on to foundation, my favorite one would be the Fenty foundation. I have a full video here for you guys. I have dry skin, so that is really nice hydrating foundation for me, and I really like Fenty beauty products. Always put on loose powder when I have that foundation on. I don't usually put on foundation on a daily basis because I go to work and I just don't want to have like too much makeup on my face. It gets a little bit oily throughout the day, and especially if you have oily skin, I don't recommend this foundation for you because this is something that will make you into a glossy oily ball. But if you have dry skin like me, I think it's great. It actually melts into my skin and it gives me a very nice glow. I don't know why I'm talking so quickly. Okay, so next up is the loose powder. So my favorite loose powder this time round would be the Born This Way loose powder by Too Faced. It is hydrating. I really don't like the Laura Mercier loose powder as much as I force myself to like it because it actually clings onto my dry under eye lines and it gives me like really weird dry patches all over my face, so I don't like it. But I use it because I have to finish it, and it was a very expensive loose powder. But for this Born This Way loose powder, it has hyaluronic acid in there, so it is amazing and I like it, and I really recommend you guys to get it. Okay, so next one is skin tint. So I have been on a hunt for the best skin tint. I like the Glossier one, I like the one from Nudestix. I also actually like the It Cosmetics one, but the one that really amazes me is the one from Pixi Beauty. It is the skin tint, and mine is in the shade Nude. I really like it. It is very fresh on the skin, and when you put it on your face, right, it feels like it's just a layer, a film of water all over your face, and the texture is just out of this world. To be honest, I've never tried any foundation or any skin tint that has such an amazing texture. To be honest, I'm not even exaggerating, because it really just feels like water on your face. The battery is running out, so I have to freaking finish this ASAP. Okay, the next one would be powder. So the powder I've been loving would be the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. It is very nice. It gives you the nice glow but doesn't dry out your skin. I use that compact powder every single day to work. And then the next one would be blusher. My favorite blusher would be a cream blusher, and this is by the brand Glossier, and it's in the shade Storm. If you guys ever want to see all the shades, I have it here and swatched for you guys. So yep, that's that. And then for bronzer, I love the Physicians Formula bronzer. It is so good. Mine is in the shade Bronzer, and it's just so amazing. I'm wearing it right now. It just gives me the right amount of warmth, and sometimes I just use a bronzer for my contour also, and it just makes me feel like I'm in a tropical island every single day with the smell of all the coconut sand. Love it. And next one would be Fenty Beauty's bronzer. I also have a video here. I tried it out, tested out against the Benefit bronzer, and I think it's better than the Hoola bronzer. So my shade is In the Sun. And then next up for cream bronzer, oh my gosh, this is my favorite. It's the Bondi Bay Nudestix bronzer. And cream bronzer, right, in a stick especially, it's always so dry, but Bondi Bay, it's, oh my gosh, so creamy, easy to wear. And I also have it on my Bali IGTV video, so I use that even in that hot humid weather, and it just feels so nice and comfortable on my skin, and gives a perfect glow, and it just knows how to bronze up my face. I really like it. And then the next one would be highlighter. I love the Opal highlighter by Becca. Opal is actually really well known already, and I really like it. I like it way more than Champagne Pop, to be honest. It gives a very nice pinkish shimmer. Next up is mascara. I hardly put on mascara, but I have a video of me using the best and worst mascara. I have also linked it here, so you guys can go and see. And for mascara, I still love the Lancome one or the Heroin Make. That's like the top of the top. And for eyeshadow, I actually don't really have a palette that I really like, but this time the eyeshadow that I am obsessed with is the Nudestix Grotto shadow. Is so good, and it's a shimmery brown eyeshadow, and I have it in the mini size one. I think I'm gonna get the full size once Sephora has a sale. It's so good. I really like it. I use it on all my IGTV, not all lah, but like most of my IGTV. Is very easy to use, and also for my New Year's Eve video, I was also using that. And then for eyeshadow, if you really want me to pick a palette that I really like, it would be the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I think that's very versatile, or the Toofaced Peachy palette in all matte, and then the Peach Dual Liner and the Stem. Oh my god, this is the year where I fell in love with Stem eyeliner, Stem wing eyeliner. It's so good, and especially the Peach one, it is so long lasting on my eyes. And I also like the dual eyeliner. It has the extra fine tip, so it's so good. And the other side is the film type eyeliner. It's also very sturdy, and it's very nice to just draw on your eye, especially with like small Asian eyes like mine. I usually don't like to overline my eyelids, because I still want to have like this little space to show that I have eyelids. Sorry guys, sorry for the change of quality and lighting. This is on my other camera, another vlog camera. It's the Sony RX100 in Mark III, and the previous one was the Canon G7X Mark II. I really like that one, but this one is pretty okay also, but like the color is a little bit off, so just bear with me on that. I really want to finish this video. On to gel liner. I really love the Kate Skinny Gel Liner. It's so amazing. It's the best gel liner ever. I recommend it to my sister. She is a huge fan of it now. I get it in the shade dark brown. It has black, brown and dark brown. I think dark brown is the most popular one, I guess. It's just very nice and creamy, and it lasts on my eye so long. Like for the whole day, it can just be on my eye and it just doesn't smudge. You know, especially in Singapore, it's so hot and humid. It's the best weather to test out your gel liner or even your mascara or anything to see if it actually smudges under your eye. But the gel liner, it doesn't even smudge. It's so good. I really like it. And you have to wait for it to set before you smudge it out and test out, okay? So I'm just gonna move on to a lip category. So for lip balms, I actually really like the YSL Plumbing Lippy. The one that I really like right now with the Black Heart lip balm from YSL, it's the Minty Volumizing in 06. It's a very nice red color. I usually don't go for that kind of red, but oh my goodness, I really found a gem, and I really like YSL's lip products. They are so good. The one that I really liked was the tinted liquid balm. It was so good, but it is now phased out, and I cannot find the same shade anymore. It is in the shade 08, I think. So good, so good. And the other one that I really like, I brought it to Bali also. It's the Fresh Lip Balm in Spice. It's a very nice terracotta color. It's like corally, but yet it has a very nice burnt orange color. And yeah, everyone's been asking me about that lip color, and to be honest, I love wearing lip balm because it gives me a very nice full color, yet it is so moisturizing and hydrating on my lips. It's the best of both worlds. It is the best of both worlds. If you watch Hannah Montana, high five. So next it would be liquid lipstick. The liquid lipstick I love would be the Maybelline Super Stay. If you guys have not watched that video, I'll link it up here. Probably not able to link so many videos for you guys, but I'll just put everything in my description box so you guys can go slowly binge watch on it. The Maybelline Super Stay Ink Lip B is the highest view video on my channel, and I'm very proud of it. I really love and stand by that lippy. It's so great, and it just doesn't smudge. It doesn't smudge. Once it's applied on your lip, it's so comfortable, even though it has a little bit of like tackiness, but it just doesn't leave your lips. I don't know why. Okay, so for lipstick, it will definitely be the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top Matte Revolution Lip B. It is so good. That lipstick is amazing. I love it. And it comes with a lip liner. I forgot what shade that is, but that lip liner was amazing too. Now I know why it's so highly raved. The Matte Revolution lipstick, right, is not even like drying on my lips, and it's so creamy, so moisturizing. And although this formula, it doesn't stay on my lip as much as a lip tint does, but this is so nice. The color is amazing. It is a true nude to my complexion, and it's just so great. I really highly recommend you guys to try Charlotte Tilbury products, although it is pricey, but the quality is amazing. Okay, so lastly is my favorite lip gloss. It is definitely the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss in Fussy. I think the pinky shade is so nice, and it's just so shimmery. It makes my lips so plumpy. Like, I always get compliments whenever I use the Fenty lip gloss in Fussy, and in my New Year's Eve video, I think I used the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top Lippy on my lips, and then I top it off with the Fenty Beauty gloss in Fussy, and it is the best combi ever. So nice, and then just very classy. I really like it. This is my favorite setting spray by Morphe. This is the Continuous Setting Mist. It's very affordable, and the mist is so fine. I really like this. I am done with my best of 2019 makeup, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, remember to like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you guys have any doubts or you just want me to talk about certain topics. Feel free to comment down below, and also follow me on my Instagram. I would love to interact with you guys, and I always upload any like lifestyle updates or my makeup updates on there. So if you want more content from me, just follow me, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.